and this is just a super quick video just to talk to you a little bit about journaling really. I've just got a couple of minutes before I have to set off to Hochanda, and I'm doing a Junkyard Bazaar show, and I'm going to be sharing a kind of junk journaling kit as well, which is full of papers and stickers and that kind of stuff. And it's been really interesting journey for me because I've never been a junk journaler in the past, and journaling as such didn't really have much meaning for me up until along with my mum, I decided to create a journal that I'm going to be making. So basically we decided that my mum is going to be making a journal. I bought her a little photo printer, and she's taking a photo every day. She's printing it. It's just a little, I think it's called Sprocket, and she's just printing her photo on that tiny little printer, and I have the same one. And then every day we just make a page in our journals, decorated with different papers and different memorabilia, and we put in that photo and also a little kind of journaling note. And the reason why we do this is because we live in different countries and we don't see each other very often. We call each other as much as we can, but it's not the same as really experiencing like each other's days and spending time together. It's very different when your parent is so far away. So I do have my journal with me, and I just wanted to take a couple of minutes just to show you what meaningful journaling is for me, and how you can make it meaningful. If you always wanted to start something like this but you're really struggling with the concept and you're wondering, is it just decorate a page or does it have any meaning? So let me just show you quickly. Okay, so this is my work desk, and this is my journal. And basically what it looks like is that I just take a photo as much as I can. I don't do it every day, but I take a photo and I decorate the page with something that is meaningful to this, and then I put a note and I put a picture, and I just do it in different. This was my husband's birthday and we went away, which was just amazing, and this was when we went to Frankfurt. And I just basically, I love my cat and I share a lot of cat related stories with my mum. She loves the cat as well, and just share those little things, like my husband makes me coffee every day in the morning, so I just share those little things that she normally would not experience, and I do that as much as I can. Here you go, have a look at that. That is one of my latest pages that I am going to be sharing on Hochanda. And for this purpose, I have put together a huge kit. That, just have a look at this. So this is the kit I've put together. This is my mega journaling kit, as I called it, and it has so many different embellishments. It's got our paper prints, it's got some pages from different companies, it has envelopes, loads of lovely envelopes in different colors and different shapes, and it has all that fantastic ephemera. Just look at this, and tags on which you can journal. Look at that, just so many. This one has 70 different elements. There's just plenty of things here, so you can get that from craftbox.co.uk. and if you are struggling with the meaning of journaling and how to make it meaningful, then just think about sharing your day or sharing memories with someone, either your children or your parents, and then just do this for them, or just preserve the memories for yourself. But I think having a person in mind, be it you or your parents or your children, is just a great way to really get into the concept of junk journaling. So I really hope this was useful, and I'm going to run to Hochanda to do my show, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!